Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Discord not opening on Chrome. If you're having trouble opening Discord on Chrome, you've come to the right place. Discord is a popular platform for gamers and communities alike, and Chrome is one of the most used browsers out there. But when Discord refuses to load on Chrome, it can be super frustrating. Today, I'm going to walk you through 9 easy fixes that can get Discord up and running smoothly again. So, stick around and let's troubleshoot together. Before diving into Chrome settings, it's important to make sure that Discord servers are up and running. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end but on Discord's. Step 1. Head over to the official Discord server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. Step 2. If the servers are down, all you can do is wait. If they're operational, move on to the next fix. Now that you've confirmed the servers are fine, let's jump into fixing Chrome. Sometimes, a quick restart is all that's needed. Closing and reopening Chrome can help reset background processes that might be interfering with Discord. Step 1. Press Ctrl+Shift+ Escape to open Task Manager. Step 2. Scroll down to find Google Chrome, then right-click and select End Task. Step 3. After closing Chrome, relaunch it, and try loading Discord again. If this doesn't work, let's move to our next fix. Full screen mode on Chrome can sometimes cause issues when trying to load Discord. Let's disable it to see if that helps. Step 1. Press F11 on your keyboard to exit full screen mode, or hover your mouse at the top middle of the screen and click the Exit Full Screen button. With full screen mode disabled, check if Discord is loading. If not, let's move on. Chrome uses a feature called hardware acceleration to make browsing smoother by offloading tasks to your GPU. Sometimes, this can cause issues with certain websites, including Discord. Turning it off might fix the issue. Step 1. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of Chrome and go to Settings. Step 2. Scroll down and click on System. Step 3. Under the Systems section, toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Step 4. Restart Chrome and try loading Discord again. Still no luck? Don't worry, we've got more tricks up our sleeve. Your internet connection might be the culprit. A slow or unstable connection can cause Discord to fail to load properly. Step 1. Go to a site like speedtest.net and run a quick speed test. Step 2. You should have at least 5 megabits per second download and upload speeds for Discord to work smoothly. If your speed is lower, consider restarting your router or checking with your internet provider. Over time, Chrome collects a lot of browsing data, which can sometimes lead to performance issues. Let's clear your cache and history. Step 1. Click the 3 dots in Chrome and go to Settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security and click Clear Browsing Data. Step 3. Select All Time and make sure to check cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Step 4. Click Clear Data, then restart Chrome. Now, try loading Discord again. If it's still not working, let's reset Chrome completely. Resetting Chrome can fix persistent bugs by restoring the browser to its default state. Step 1. In Chrome settings, scroll down to Reset. Step 2. Click Restore settings to their original defaults and confirm. Step 3. Relaunch Chrome and check if Discord is loading. This reset will remove any extensions or custom settings that might be causing issues. If Discord is still acting up, let's move to another potential cause, your VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, that could be causing the problem. Sometimes, Discord won't load correctly if your VPN is slow or set to a location that doesn't support Discord. Step 1. Disable your VPN or proxy service and refresh Chrome. Step 2. If you need to use a VPN, try switching to a different server location. Check if Discord loads after disabling your VPN or changing servers. If not, we have one last solution. If all else fails, the final step is to switch from Chrome to the Discord desktop app or another browser like Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Step 1. Go to the Discord website and download the desktop app. Step 2. Install it, log in, and you're good to go. Alternatively, you can try using a different browser. Sometimes, Chrome-specific bugs can be solved by switching to something else. That's it for today, folks. Hopefully, one of these fixes worked for you and you're back to chatting and gaming on Discord. If this guide helped, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.